I didn't see you there. So I hope you haven't been waiting for too long. You're watching Disney Channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Disasters with Dipasha. I'm Dipasha and today's video is going to be a shopping haul. So as you can see, I bought quite a few items. So I'm going to do a haul. Forever 21 and H&M haul. Both of them had a sale. So obviously had to buy some stuff. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. We did everything right, now I'm on the outside. The first thing that I bought was this very pretty lavender colored top. It is a knit material and it is very cute. I'm so excited to wear this top. This top originally was for 1100 and it was on 25% off, and I will write down the prices over here or here somewhere on the screen because I am not good at maths. I have to use a calculator. So yeah, this was my first top. The second top that I bought from Forever was this tube top. It is black and white color. This is also very pretty. The next top that I bought was this one. This top. And the original price was $790 and this was also on 25% off. All of these tops were 25% off. So these were all the tops that I bought. Next thing that I bought was this fanny pack or bum bag, whatever you like to say. So this was for rupees 600, I guess. I bought it for 600 or 550. I don't remember exactly, but I will write down the price somewhere on the screen. And it was on 50% off. That's why I got it for so cheap. Yeah. And the last thing that I bought from Forever 21 was this basic black belt. I really needed a belt because I don't own any black belt. So really needed one. Yeah, and this was the last thing that I bought from Forever 21. So now let's move on to H&M. So now let's start with the H&M haul. They had a really good sale, better than Forever one. So the first thing that I bought from H&M was this Ariana Grande merch. It was, you cannot believe it. Drum roll please. Only 500. You can't see it. Yeah, now. Imagine. That was a steal. Okay, so the next thing that I bought was this tube top. It was for only rupees 250. Not on sale. The original price was 250. So this was very cheap. And you cannot believe what H&M had items starting from rupees 49. Clothing starting from 49. Mind blown. Now this. Next thing that I bought was these distressed denim shorts. This was for, I guess, 1,000 rupees. This was not on sale. The original price was 1,000. So yeah. The next thing that I bought was this plain black button down dress. This is the first time I ever bought this long dress because I generally wear short dresses, and I'm very excited to wear this one because I felt like this looked pretty good on me. Yeah. Last thing that I bought from H&M was this blazer. This was for just rupees 800. Can you imagine a blazer, H&M blazer for 800 rupees? Otherwise the original price was 3000 rupees. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please press the thumbs up button and comment down below which one was your favorite item, and I'm forgetting something. And subscribe if you are new to my channel. And if you're not new and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, go fast. Chalo, thank you for watching. Bye bye.